And away they go from the 1600 meter marker. Premium Woods at the back of the field early on. Cossack General's right there. Everlast, the red sleeves and cap. Beirut is on the outside. They'll follow further back in the field by Jeppy's Reef, who's trying to overcome the draw. Sherborg's just behind that with the white noseband. They settle down to race, and Cossack General's quite strong in front. Fourth Estates, mid-division. That gives about 7 lengths start, then nothing compares. Golden Chateau and Big City Angel, they travel together. Big City Angel overcame that draw. Perfect position back, second to last. And First Lad is the trailer. They go to the 900, and Cossack General's out in front by 2.5 lengths. In second is Beirut, then comes Everlast. On the outside, Jeppy's Reef, followed then by Premium Word. Further back in the field is Sherborg. Nothing compares, Fourth Estate. Big City Angel in the red silks, about 8 lengths off the leader, half on the outside, Golden Chateau, and First Lad the trailer. Cossack General's racing awkwardly as they come to the 500 meter marker. Brings him into the home stretch, the leader by about 2.5 lengths. Golden Chateau also cornered awkwardly. Beirut is back in second position, then Everlast. Big City Angel, the big white face, got 5 lengths to make up. Nothing compares, also starting to come forward. It's Cossack General, Beirut, Fourth Estate, and here's Big City Angel now running on, so's Premium Word. Big City Angel now the leader, Fourth Estate on the inside. Big City Angel, nothing compares, Fourth Estate. Cossack General's fighting right back. Fourth Estate, Big City Angel got up. I think Big City Angel won it from Fourth Estate, but very, very close.